Hello everyone, this is me again, Beauty by T. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are beautiful. Welcome back to my channel, and I want to thank you all, my subscribers, my new subscribers, and my old ones that are on their way. Thank you in advance. Yesterday I talked about my new website that was launched yesterday. I don't know if you guys checked it up. It's called beautybyt.co.uk. If you have not checked it, please go check it up. There you can find wigs, different kind of wigs, which are probably made by BBT, Beauty by T. I'm so excited. I don't know. Go and check it up. We have lipstick, we have eyelashes like mine that is pumping, we have fashionable earrings, we have chain. Just go and check it up. I don't want to say. We have many more things that you would love. Just go and check it up and let me know what you think. Yes, yesterday we talked about how to be a true beauty, and we consider 3 factors that make someone to have a true beauty, and which is your thoughts, your actions, and your character. And we talked about character, and I made us to understand that our true beauty is not our makeup, is not our luxurious skin, is not our outstanding personality, is not our makeup, is not our dressing. It's far, far beyond that. You understand? Many a times people say the beauty is in the eye of the beholder. No, I contest that. Beauty is in the mind of the beholder. And you don't judge a book by its cover. You understand? It relates to we human. You don't just see someone, and because the person is looking so gorgeously dressed up, the person is beautiful. You say, oh, this person is beautiful. I know that's what comes to our mind, but it's far beyond that. But oftentimes we don't really think that way. So that is why I said this particular topic is so broad. When I was thinking about it this morning, I was like, oh, wow, this topic is so broad. It's not something we can just talk in a day. Is so very mighty. So I just quickly want to say it's beyond that. It's beyond our luxurious skin. It's beyond all these things. When you look inwardly, you will see that our inward character is the one that, that's really portray our true beauty. And I made us to understand that you see somebody that needed help and you cannot help the person. No matter how beautiful you are, it doesn't portray you as a beautiful person. And that is why when somebody does some beautiful things outside, people will say, oh, this is so beautiful. I don't know if you guys are feeling me. They say, what you did is so beautiful. Likewise, when somebody do something that does not worth of praise, what do you say? I often say, that character looks so stinks. I say it many times. I say, that character is so disgusting. I don't know if you know what I'm talking about. So likewise, if you portray a good character, like I say, it's going to make you more beautiful. And that is why I said your inward character dominates your outward character. You might have a good, your face might be of good, very cheerful and everything, but if the inner one the inner one is very, very beautiful, it adds to it, and at the end of the day, it makes you shine brighter, it makes you more beautiful. You understand? So I just quickly want to run through, because I said I won't spend more than 5 minutes or 6 minutes. So I quickly want to talk about thoughts. Our thoughts, which is the second one, are the one killing us, honestly. Our thoughts are killing us. We need to chill out, honestly. We need to, to walk in people's shoes. If you see some fair sheets people are going through, honestly, if you walk through their shoes, honestly, this world would be a better place for every one of us. Our thoughts kills. Our thoughts towards people is just too, I don't want to use the word disgusting. And at the end of the day, it doesn't bring that beauty, that true beauty, doesn't bring it out. Let our thinking, let it be right. Regardless of what we are seeing, regardless of what is going on around us, let our thinking be positive. Let's build this positive energy. When you have this positive energy and it radiates through you, at the end of the day, it completes you and it makes you you know, more beautiful. Even if you are looking beautiful before, it makes you more beautiful. Even you, have you not seen somebody that is, I'm sorry to mention it, that is not so beautiful. I don't want to say that word. That is not so beautiful, but people often like to be around the person. Have you ever seen such person before? Why? Because the character the person portray is just too outstanding. The character, the behavior, the way the person presents, the way the person talks, it's just irradiates. It makes people not to even see the bad side, as in the bad side of her face. The only thing they see is that, oh, she's beautiful. Have you seen her talk? Have you seen the way she behaves? I've talked like that about somebody. So our thoughts must be right. Our thoughts must be positive. We should not let our thoughts kill us. It kills us and it affects so very much. Let us make our thoughts right. And let's quickly go to actions. How do our actions affect our true beauty? How does your action build? Does it contribute? Does it support? Or does it kill? Does it collapse? Does it destroy? We have to check that. It's very, very important. You know, when I was checking all these factors this afternoon, I was like, if we go on and on and on and on, I will not leave here today. And this is just 6:18. It's far, far beyond that. And I ended up saying that beauty is not in the eye of the beholder, like I said. It's in the mind. Beauty is not about our pretty face. It's not about our pretty heart. It's not about our pretty mind. It's about our soul, our pretty soul. What is inside of you? So, I've come to the end of the show. And if you have anything to add to it, let me know in the comment section below. And before I go, I just want to say something again. Let us develop this empathy, integrity, kindness, you know, love, helping people. You know, that brings out our beauty. It adds to it. It's so very important. I will catch you guys in my next video. But before I go, if you like this video, of course, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And like I said, if you have anything to add to it, don't forget to add to it. Let's talk more about it. And my next topic I'm going to be talking about, I don't want to say it. We'll see ourselves tomorrow. Thank you for watching and bye.